Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to a new Montell Fish song called Care. So this one has Montell Fish all over it when it comes to his style, and I love that one, a little bit dreamy like that. 4 chords only to handle here, so let's start with the chords. No need for any capo, and we have first the G sharp minor. Okay, so that is a bar here on the 4th fret, all strings, and the rest will be 6 on A string and 6 on D string. Next chord will be F major 9. So F major 9 is the right chord here. Sounds like this, so that is 7th on A, 6 on D, 8 on G, and 7 on B. So you will use only these strings. You could include, if you wish, the last open E, but the A to B is the correct strings to use here. Alright, so that is F major 9. Next chord will be B. So you can do it like that, a bar on the 2nd fret from A string and down, that means 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, 4th on B. And the final chord will be A sharp minor. So that is a bar, you can bar it on the 6th fret here from D string and down. That's the easiest way to pick that chord. So bar from D string and down, 4 strings on 6th fret, and the rest will be 8 on D string and 7th on B string. That's the A sharp minor. So this one is a bit experimental song, of course, when it's about Montell Fish, and you can go with only 1 downstroke for each and every chord. So on this G sharp minor, you would like to hit the note here on the 7th fret B string. That is 1 key note there. Okay, so you can just add that one, skip the 6th on the D string. You can skip that one and just add the little pinky down there on the 7th B string, if you wish. Okay, and then next you can just go to this F major 9. You have the same note there, 7th on the B string in that chord. And then when you go to B, you have the same note now on this barred 2nd fret E string down here. You bar that one, so you can pick that note as well. And then you move up here to this A sharp minor. Alright, so that is one way of playing this song here with the chords, just 1 down or 1 pick all strings. And try to emphasize these notes because he does, but it's not a rule. You can go back and forth with this, and you can play also some kind of strumming pattern for this one. Not too much, because this is a very relaxed song, so it will be kind of something like this. Like this. And so on. So no rules when it comes to handling this song. Don't do too much on this one. You need to be a bit laid back to get the right feeling for this song and these kind of chords. So that will pretty much cover Montell Fish's Care. So take care and see you soon. And don't forget, guys, play tuned.